At one point, at the very end, I just didn't think she was going to do it, and I did. I started to cry. It was awful. It was really awful because she was shaking and shivering. The vet gave her a little bit of anaesthetic just because she'd been thrashing in the water and things like that every now and again. So, like, we really didn't think she'd make it, but we gave her every shot, you know, every shot we possibly could. So when we got her out of the water, she lay down and we got loads of blankets. We all rubbed her whole body to get the heat back into her, especially her legs. And then eventually she started to come through and she got up, and she was very shaky and stuff for a bit, but she was amazing, amazing horse. It's scary, you know, because we're all just volunteers. Like, I had two friends that had just come in from America that morning, and literally I had to go, get in the car, come with me. You just don't know what you're ever going to face. And when I saw Polly lying in the water, and such a big horse, I was so scared for her. And then her foal was across the river, and he was trying to get across to her, and there were other horses over there as well, and they were all panicking, and it was just horrible. There were so many people panicking as well that it was good to get there and go, okay, if everybody just calms down and we come up with a plan. At one point, at the very end, I just didn't think she was going to do it, and I did. I started to cry because I was emotional, and I was wrecked and freezing and soaking, and I just thought, Polly's not going to make it, but she did. She's a little miracle. Both back legs are damaged at the moment. One's very badly infected. We don't know how that's going to affect her long term now, because she was in the water for so long. It got very badly infected with the dirty water or whatever at the canal. But we have UCD vet Nikki Walsh comes up every week now to change her bandages, to check her out. And the guy that did own her, he also came up to visit her and stuff, and is delighted that she's doing so well. Polly has hopefully a bright future in front of her, and whether she'll ever make a riding pony or whatever, she'll make a great companion, but she'll be in our care for a long, long time, and she'll always be under my Lovely Horse Rescue now.